Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the minimum deposit for a Novo account. Now, I know that a lot of people are interested in opening a Novo account, but they're not sure about the minimum deposit requirements. So, I wanted to take some time to answer that question for you. What is Novo? Before we get into the minimum deposit requirements, let's take a quick look at what Novo is. Novo is a business banking account that is designed for small businesses and freelancers. It offers a number of features that are designed to help you save time and money, such as free checking and savings accounts, no minimum balance requirements, early direct deposit access, free ATM withdrawals at over 55,000 ATMs, and much more. What is the minimum deposit for a Novo account? Now, let's get to the question that you're all here for. What is the minimum deposit for a Novo account? The answer is, there is no minimum deposit requirement for a Novo account. That's right. You can open a Novo account with as little as $0. This makes Novo a great option for small businesses and freelancers who are just starting out and don't have a lot of money to invest in a bank account. How to open a Novo account? If you're interested in opening a Novo account, here's what you need to do. Go to the Novo website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a password. Provide your personal and business information. Link your bank account. Once your account is approved, you can start using it. Benefits of opening a Novo account. There are a number of benefits to opening a Novo account, including no minimum balance requirements, early direct deposit access, free ATM withdrawals at over 55,000 ATMs, free checking and savings accounts, no overdraft fees, and much more. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about the minimum deposit for a Novo account, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Novo, I encourage you to check out their website or watch some of their videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching this video about the minimum deposit for a Novo account. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.